Hello everyone, how you doing? My name's Daniel and I'm back again today with another wonderful progression. And trust me, you're gonna love this one. I call it the flat 3, flat 7, 7. It's a movement that takes us to the 7. And as we all know, whenever we play the 5, we could actually play the 7 as a substitute. We could substitute T for So. Anytime we want to play T, we could play So. Likewise, anytime we wish to play So, we could play T. So this is a movement that's kind of like a substitution for that 5 chord. So anytime you're playing a song and you have to go to the 5 chord, you could play this movement instead to the 7. And I call it again the flat 3, flat 7, 7. It's a really awesome progression, and trust me, you're going to love this. And I'm going to encourage you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so, because it's going to be so beneficial. No matter what level of player you are, trust me, it's going to be so beneficial. So let's get started. So here we are, the flat 3, flat 7, 7 progression. Really amazing progression. And I've done this as usual in the keys of C, C sharp, F, F sharp, and G. And I'm really sorry if I haven't performed this progression in your key. I basically work with what I post on my social media handles. So these 5 keys actually have been, arranged in a chart and posted on those handles. And I just make these videos to rhyme with those charts. So if you check up my handles, you'd see these progressions there on just these 5 keys. I work with them because they're the most in-demand keys. Not that I can't actually show it on other keys, but these are the ones people request the most. So I always drop this message in my videos. If you wish for any of these progressions to be done in your key, you can let me know via the comment section, and definitely I will respond to that. But for now, we're going to be handling just the keys of C, C sharp, F, F sharp, and G. So I will go right into the progression and we'll see where this leads us to. So I'll be starting out in the key of C. So we have the flat 3, the flat 7, and the 7. The flat 3 is E flat, the flat 7, B flat, and the 7, B, for the key of C. So I'll play the full progression. Oh, beautiful. So we all know that whenever a song requires us to play the 5, we could actually play the 7. I believe we all know that. So whenever you're to move to the 5 in a song, you could use this progression and instead land on the 7. For example, promise keeper, light in the darkness. We're supposed to be on the 5 at that point. So promise keeper, you saw that. Promise keeper, light in the darkness. So let's go right into it. For the left hand, we have, for the flat 3 chord, we have E flat, C, and F. E flat, C, and F. For the right hand, we have C and E flat. E flat, C, F, C, E flat. Then I just flick these 2 notes to give it a more tasteful sound. Then for the next chord, we have B flat, F. Then use your thumb to cover these 2 notes, C and D. Then for the right hand, we just flick from G to A. So anyone you decide to go with, whether the flick or a single touch, that's fine. So straight to our 7, and our 7 for the key of C, we have B, G, and D. Then for the right hand, we have G, have just F and A flat. For the flat 7, we have E flat, B flat, F and G, E flat, B flat, F and G. For the right, we have just the D. You could flick it as well. For the 7, we have E, C, and G. For the left, for the right, we have C, D, and G. So that's for key F. Now for F sharp. So we have our flat 3 as A, our flat 7 as E, and our 7 as F. So flat 3, flat 7, 7. Now for the full chords, we have again. So for the left hand, we have A, F sharp, and B. For the right, we have F sharp and A. For the flat 7, we have E, B, F sharp and A flat. For the left, we have just the E flat. For the 7, we have F, C sharp, and A flat. And for the right, we have C sharp, E flat, and A flat. So that's for F sharp. Now on to G. So we have our flat 3 as B flat, our flat 7 as F, and our 7 as F sharp. So flat 3, flat 7, 7. Now for the full chords, we have again. So for the notes, for the flat 3, we have, for the left hand, B flat, G, C, B flat, G, C. For the right, we have G and B flat. For the flat 3, for the flat 7, we have F, C, G and A. F, C, G and A. And for the right, we have just the E. You could flick that. So and for the 7, we have F sharp, D, and A for the left. F sharp, D, and A. For the right, we've got D, E, and A. So an example. Give thanks with a grateful heart. That particular part of that song takes us to the 5 or the 7. So instead of boringly landing on the 5 or 7, you substitute with this particular chord movement we've learned today. So give thanks with a grateful heart. Likewise every other song. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God, that is songs. Holy are you, Lord, all creation. Call you Lord. I know you must have enjoyed every bit of that, and trust me, there is lots more where that came from. So, if you've got any questions or are confused about anything, you can just let me know via the comment section. And if you're a beginner or an intermediate player and you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I'd encourage you to do so, because there's going to be lots more coming, and trust me, you're going to learn a lot of things if you stick to this channel. So you can practice this move, and you could actually try to see how to spice it up with your own ideas. Yes, that's possible. You could take someone's progression and transform it into something completely different, and we might be learning how that is actually done on the long run in this channel. So there is lots more to gain, so just stay tuned, keep on checking up on this channel, and trust me, you'll find wonderful things here. So do enjoy this one, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.